Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about how to add notes on Instagram posts and reels. So if you want to add notes on your Instagram posts and reels, this is what you have to do. Make sure your Instagram has the latest update by going to your Play Store app and updating it. Likewise, if you are using iPhone, you can go to your app store to install to update your Instagram to the latest update. So the next thing you have to do is to tap on your Instagram post icon here. Now you are going to see where it says add note at the bottom. You are going to see where it says add note to this reels or post. So what you have to do is to tap on it. Now you can now easily add any of the post notes that you wish to add. Let me say good vibes. The next thing you have to do is to tap on share. So when I tap on share, I'll be sharing this my note to this individual that I just added note to his post. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.